Good morning, everyone. Today, I'll show you how to clean a stainless steel refrigerator. As you can see, this type of surface can easily get stained when water spills on it. Throughout my experience working with clients who own these refrigerators, I always advise them to be careful with water to prevent these stains. For effective cleaning, I recommend Dawn soap. It's excellent for shining and deep cleaning without damaging the surface. You'll only need about 4 drops and a slightly damp cloth. Plus, it doesn't contain harsh chemicals that might harm the stainless steel. After applying, it's essential to dry it quickly with a paper towel. Notice the difference. Here you can see the stains, and after cleaning, the shiny finish it leaves. I definitely vouch for Dawn soap for this task. For more cleaning tips and recommendations, follow Ina's Cleaning Services. See you next time.